11. Geometry. Hello friends. Geometry arose independently in a number of early cultures as a body of practical knowledge concerning lengths, areas, and volumes. A construction in geometry is a drawing that can be made with the simplest of tools. Indian mathematicians also made many important contributions in geometry. When you learn to use geometry, you also learn to think logical. This is very important in everyday life, as not everything is easy and understandable. In this chapter, you will learn about geometry. Chapter 11. Geometry. Lines, rays, and segments. Lines, a set of points which extend endlessly in both the directions, form a line. A line is named by the capital letters of any 2 points on it or by a small letter. A line has length, but it has no width or thickness. A line is also called a straight line. A, B. L. Ray. If there is only one end point, then it is called a ray. It means it can be extended only in that direction. The other side is fixed. R, S. The above figure is ray RS. It is written as RS and is read as ray RS. Always we name a ray with the end point first. Line segment. A part of a line between any 2 points on it is called a line segment. A line segment has 2 endpoints. The line segment CD is denoted by and is read as line segment CD. Let us consider 2 points A and B. In the figure shown above, there are 2 points A and B. There are many paths joining A to B. Of all these paths, which is the shortest? Do these. 1. 1. Name the lines, rays, and line segments in the following figures. Communication. Two, count and write the number of line segments in the following figures. Communication. Instrument box. Take your box of instruments. The word instrument means tools or a device. Any good set will have the following instruments: a scale, a divider, a compass, a protractor, 2 set squares. We use these tools to measure as well draw geometrical figures. In this chapter, you will learn how to use them. Comparison of line segments. Let us suppose AB and CD are 2 line segments. If we wish to compare them, we must know their sizes. In the figure, without much effort, we can say that the line segment AB is shorter than the line segment CD. Symbolically, we express it as line segment AB is less than line segment CD, or line segment CD is greater than line segment AB. A. By using a tracing paper. With the help of a tracing paper, we can trace line segment AB and place it over CD and then compare. B. By using 50 cm scale. With the help of 15 cm scale and actually measuring the lengths of line segments AB and CD, we can make a good comparison. C. Using a divider. Divider has two arms and has two pointed ends. Let us suppose we wish to compare the length of the line segments PQ and MN. We proceed as follows. We place one sharp edge of the divider at the end P of the line segment PQ and stretch the other arm of the divider to exactly position at Q. Now, we lift the divider without disturbing the arms. Place the end point of one of the arms to position at M in case if the other arm end falls at O, and 1. If the point O falls short of N, then the line segment PQ is shorter than the line segment MN. 2. If the point O is ahead of N, then the line segment PQ is longer than the line segment MN. 3. If the point O and N coincide, then we say that the line segments PQ and MN are of the same length. Measuring length of a line segment using a scale. In our daily life, we use meter scale to measure cloth, length, breadth and height of a room, height of a pole, etc. In geometry, a 15 cm scale is used for measuring the length of a line segment. Now, let us measure the length of a line segment PQ with the meter scale. PQ. Take 15 cm scale and keep the edge showing centimeters on line segment PQ such that the zero mark of the scale coincides with P. Note the reading on the scale with which the other end point of line segment Q coincides. Here, Q is coinciding with the 4 cm mark on the scale. So, the length of line segment PQ is 4 cm. So, PQ is equal to 4 cm. Note: while writing the length of the line segment, do not write PQ bar is equal to 4 cm, but write it as PQ is equal to 4 cm. Measuring length of a segment with the help of a divider. Measuring length with a scale may not be accurate due to parallax error. We therefore use a divider for greater accuracy. A divider has two pointed arms. One of the arms is fixed at one end of the segment and the other arm is fixed at the other end of the segment. Then, the divider is taken out and placed on the scale in such a way that one of its arms coincides with the zero and the other arm is to the right of zero. Now we read the length of the segment on the scale. It is found to be 5.2 centimeters. Construction of a line segment. If we wish to draw a line segment of length 5 centimeters, 8 millimeters, we proceed in the following way. We know 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, or 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. 1 by 10 can be written as 0.1. So, each small division is 0.1 centimeter. X, Y. Step 1. Mark a point X on a paper in your notebook. Step 2. Place the scale such that its 0 mark coincides with the point X. Step 3. Count centimeter marks on the scale from the 0 mark till you reach 5th centimeter mark. Then count 8 small divisions. Mark the point just opposite to the 8th small division as Y. Step 4. Join the 2 points X and Y using the straight edge of the scale. Step 5. XY is the line segment whose length is 5.8 centimeters. Do these two. 1. Measure the length of the following line segments by using scale and then with the divider. Communication. Two. Draw the following line segments. Communication. Three. Compare the following sets of line segments by using divider and find out which is longer. Reasoning proof. Four. Measure the lengths of the segments of A, B, C, D. Communication. Fact file. A line has no endpoints. A ray has only one endpoint. A line segment has two endpoints. A line segment is a part of a line. A line is also called a straight line. Fact file. A line has no endpoints.